Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add room on booking.com. So first is you have to log into your booking.com extranet account. All right. And then after that, you just have to go to your group homepage. And then after that, you have this add new property option. So just simply tap on this one. And then we have here these options. So we have the apartment, homes, hotel, B&Bs, and more, and the alternative places. So for just a quick start, I'm just going to select the apartment. So tap on the list your apartment. So I'm just going to select the one apartment for now and tap on continue after that. Now, one apartment where guests can book the entire place. So yeah, just tap on continue. And then here, where else is your property listed? So if your property is listed in Airbnb, you can speed up the registration by importing it directly to booking.com. But if your property is not listed on any other website, so just select the last choice and click on continue. Okay, and then the next thing, the next thing that you are going to do. And then the next thing that you're going to do is what's the name of your place? Okay, so I'm just going to name this one as garden and then tap on continue after that. Okay, and then where is your property located? So for example, I'm going to select that location and tap on continue after that. Okay, so tap on continue to pin the location of your property. Okay, and then if you'd like to connect to a channel manager, then just have to select yes. And if you don't want to connect, then select the no option and tap on continue. Now, right here to add a room or add a bedroom, here on the property details, all you have to do is to tap on the add bedroom option. So you tap on the plus icon so you have this bedroom details. Then you just have to add here the number of your beds and then tap on save after that. And then once you're done, you just have to continue filling out the other details for this property on booking.com. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.